What is up, guys? Ivan Alcocer here, and today I'll be showing you from the Sonic the Hedgehog Lego set. This is the Shadow's Escape, and it comes also with this motorcycle, and it comes with this rhinoceros robot, and the back here, it says Shadow could drive over it, and then he could knock over this down, and I don't know what this rhinoceros is. Well, now let's open this up. Let me take what is out of here. Let's see, package number 1, package number 2, and here's instructions. And that's what all it came with. Let's pour some out. There, and now let me get the other package opened. There we go. Now let me get this open. And there we go, guys. Now let's build this all up. Legos all built up, guys, and this rhinoceros I built, it has the little bird on it, and Shadow the Hedgehog's on this one, and then there's this also thing I built for it, and then also over here, guys, you can also press right here, then that thing falls. That's so cool. And also you can even put also Shadow the Hedgehog in here. Let me take him off of here. And let's put him in here. And let's put this back. And there he is inside. Just like you've seen in Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Like, Shadow the Hedgehog would be in the 3rd movie. And wow. It is very cool. I love this. On this rhinoceros I built. And the motorcycle. Check out this. Well, guys, this was my review on the Shadow the Hedgehog. Shadow Escape Lego set. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye, and subscribe.